Hello and good morning. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing fairly well myself. I just had myself a cup of coffee. I just started my morning not too long ago, and here I am. This drawing is being done with this Staedtler fine liner, and this is being done in a Pentalic sketchbook. And this one, I like this sketchbook, but I actually prefer the smaller Pentalic sketchbook, the one that's maybe, I think it's, what is it? Maybe 4 by 6 inches, around that size. I enjoy that one. But I was trying to keep my apartment warm, or this main living room area, and I noticed that some of my windows, there's some cold air coming through them, and a couple of the windows I put a towel over where the windows are slightly separated, and some air has been coming through there. And so I put some towels on there to keep the cold air from coming through, and that seemed to have worked. So then I opened my blinds and moved my curtains, and then it started getting colder in here. So it's probably getting colder because the air that is touching the windows, the air that's cold on the other side, it's just making it colder in here because of that contact. But as of right now, I've just got one blind open for my area where I do my drawing, and that seems to be working so far. And I did set up my little lamp that I haven't used in over a year because I've been using my big softbox light, but I've been using this little one because it uses less electric, and I can just have one focused beam of light going to my drawing rather than having a huge softbox, having to turn on all the lights to try to keep everything lit up. I can just use one, and it does help me focus because then I'm not really distracted by all the things around me. You know, if I see the room and I think I need to clean this or I need to organize that, I don't worry about it. I just focus on the drawing. But the drawing that I'm doing here, as you can see, mostly repeating patterns over and over. And this was just a quick, aimless doodle that didn't take me that long to draw. I did make when I made my coffee this morning, I used the same amount of coffee grinds as the other coffee I had just bought, and the flavor is like 4 times less. Maybe it's just because it's brand new coffee, but I can't remember the name, the brand of the other coffee grinds I have because I put it in a different container, and I don't remember. But it has a very light, not much flavor at all. Even when I put the coffee on strong brew, it didn't have that much flavor. So anyways, I'm going to go do more drawing, and hopefully you have a great day. I will talk to you all later.